What is the meaning of life? It's a question that has echoed through the halls of history, whispered by philosophers, artists, and everyday people like you and me. We've all stared up at the stars or into a quiet moment and wondered, why are we here? What's the point of it all? Is there some grand universal answer waiting to be discovered? Well, today we're not going to pretend to have that one single answer. Instead, we're going to explore something far more powerful: how you can create your own meaning on your own terms. What's that one thing you could talk about for hours? The activity that makes time just melt away. It could be painting, coding, gardening, playing an instrument, or even just mastering the perfect cup of coffee. Your passions are not just hobbies. They are clues. They are signposts pointing towards what truly energizes your soul. When you're engaged in something you love, you're not just passing time. You're investing it in your own joy. And that joy, that feeling of being completely absorbed and fulfilled, is a profound source of meaning. It's the universe telling you, hey, you're on the right track. We need direction. That's where goals come in. Goals transform our passions from a pleasant pastime into a purposeful pursuit. A goal could be as grand as starting your own business, or as personal as running your first 5K. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. What matters is that it gives you something to strive for, a reason to get out of bed in the morning with a sense of mission. Goals provide structure to our days and a narrative to our lives. They are the chapters in our personal story. Each milestone reached isn't just a tick on a checklist. It's proof of our ability to shape our own reality. When we help someone, when we contribute to a cause we believe in, when we create something that benefits others, we feel a deep sense of connection and purpose. This doesn't mean you have to save the world. It can be as simple as volunteering in your local community, mentoring a younger colleague, or just being a reliable friend. By giving a piece of ourselves, our time, our skills, our compassion, we find that we receive so much more in return. We see our impact on the world, however small, and realize our existence matters. It is in these moments of service and contribution that we truly understand we are part of a much larger, interconnected story. We are born into families, we form friendships, we build communities, and we fall in love. These relationships are not just extras in the story of our lives. They are the main plot. Think about your most cherished memories. Chances are, they involve other people. The laughter you shared with a friend, the comfort you received from a family member, the quiet understanding with a partner. These moments are the very fabric of a meaningful life. Love, in all its forms, gives us a reason to be better, to care deeper, and to share our journey. It's in our connections with others that we see ourselves reflected, understood, and valued. A life rich in love and friendship is a life rich in meaning. Being part of a group, whether it's a sports team, a book club, a spiritual group, or even an online community of fellow enthusiasts, gives us a sense of belonging. It reminds us that we are not alone in our struggles or our triumphs. In a community, we find support, shared identity, and collective purpose. We celebrate together, we mourn together, and we grow together. This shared experience creates a powerful sense of meaning that transcends our individual lives. It connects our personal story to a collective one, making our journey part of something bigger and more enduring. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. And this is where another crucial element comes in: growth. Personal growth is the process of becoming a better version of yourself. It's about learning from your mistakes, developing new skills, and expanding your understanding of the world and your place in it. Every challenge you overcome, every fear you face, every new thing you learn adds another layer of depth and meaning to your life. Think of yourself as a sculpture. Every difficulty is a chisel, chipping away the excess and revealing the stronger, more resilient person underneath. The process can be painful, but the result is a masterpiece, a version of you that is wiser and more capable. Being curious, asking questions, and seeking out new knowledge keeps your mind sharp and your spirit engaged. Read books, watch documentaries, travel to new places, talk to people who have different perspectives. Every new piece of information, every new experience, broadens your horizons and enriches your understanding of life. It's like adding new colors to your palette, giving you more tools to paint a vibrant and meaningful existence. A life of learning is a life of endless discovery, where every day holds the potential for a new insight or a new aha moment. The meaning of life isn't a secret code to be cracked or a treasure map with a single X that marks the spot. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. Instead, the meaning of life is something you create. It's a mosaic, built piece by piece from your passions, your goals, your connections, and your growth. It's a personal journey of discovery, unique to you. It's found in the goals that pull you forward. It's found in the love you share and the community you build. And it's found in the person you become as you navigate the beautiful, messy, unpredictable journey of being human. Go out and create it. Pursue what you love, connect with others, never stop learning, and contribute to the world in your own unique way. Your life is your story. Make it a meaningful one. If this video resonated with you, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What gives your life meaning? Sharing our stories is one of the most powerful ways we can connect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos exploring the big questions of life. Until next time, keep creating your meaning.